You can replace bulb-type lamps by yourself. Engage the parking brake and turn off the engine. Turn off the rear combination lamp and open the trunk. Remove the cover inside the trunk. Disconnect the connector and nuts fixed inside. Pull the lamp assembly away from the body of the vehicle. Be careful to avoid damage or injury during removal. Turn the bulb counterclockwise to remove it from the socket, then inspect it. Replace it with a new bulb. Install the new bulb in the reverse order of removal. You can also replace the high-mounted stop lamp. Conduct the engine compartment inspection on a level surface with the engine turned off. Remove the dipstick and check whether the engine oil is between the F and L marks. Check the drive belt for wear, discoloration, and any other abnormalities. The coolant level is normal if it is between F and L on the side of the coolant reservoir. Refill the washer fluid if the washer fluid warning light turns on. Make sure that the brake fluid is between the indicated lines. Keep your vehicle safe with this simple inspection. Perform the engine oil check on a flat surface, not an incline. Once the engine is warmed up, turn it off. Then wait for about 15 minutes to allow the oil to settle in the oil pan. Remove the dipstick and wipe it with a clean cloth. Reinsert the dipstick and pull it out again. Check whether the engine oil is between the F and L marks. If it is close to the L mark, you need to add engine oil. Refill the oil while checking that the level remains between the F and L marks on the dipstick. If the oil is dark and smells like gasoline, it needs to be replaced. Keep your vehicle safe by regularly checking the engine oil.
Kia, movement that inspires.